सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. Greetings everyone. Today I, Vipra Dobryal, welcome you to this event. We are here to celebrate Vasant Panchami. This festival marks the beginning of spring. According to Hindu mythology, the goddess of dance, education, theatre, music, art was born on this auspicious day, as in which the Hindus associate yellow color to be the goddess Saraswati's favorite color is because yellow colored flowers of mustard crops begin to ripen, which is why people wear yellow colored clothes, accessories and put a yellow colored turmeric tilak on their forehead. Saraswati Puja is not only celebrated in India, whereas it is celebrated in Bali among the Indonesian Hindus. They celebrate it while wearing bright yellow colored costumes amongst the teacher and students. Now, let's begin our day with the Saraswati Vandana, Jai Jai He Bhagwati by the students of grade 4th to 9th, mentored by Dr. Sher Ali Sir and supported by KPS Music Team.
अन्नित्वमे नदीत्वमे देवीत्वमे सरस्वती अप्रशस्त इव अस्मि प्रशस्तिमन्व नमस्कृति. The one who is supreme among the mothers, greatest among the rivers, and highest among the goddesses, I bow down in front of that river Saraswati. This is the shloka which has been mentioned in Rig Veda about the river Saraswati. Saraswati is the river mentioned in Rig Veda but lost her significance in post-Vedic period. Before any river was mentioned in Rig Veda, there was only existence of one river which was known as Shivalik. Saraswati originated in Bandarpuch Parvat Shring, descended from Himalaya in Adi Badri. With the passage of time, she passed through various ways like Rajasthan, the Khambat Sagar of Gujarat, Dwarka, and disappeared in Rann of Kutch. Now here we find that Saraswati is mentioned and visualized, imagined in various forms and attributes. When she runs and flows through the terrain with her physical source and destination, she becomes Nadi Saraswati. When she manifests as an idea through the words of poet and literature, she becomes Kavya Saraswati. And when she is elaborated, portrayed, and enacted on stage by the dancers, she lends the limbs to the execution. She becomes Natya Saraswati. Her disappearance, which happened in Rann of Kutch, could be due to many various reasons, which is yet to be subject of discoveries now, which will be dealt in the production which will be coming next, the Antarvahini Saraswati by our children. I would just like to mention here that Saraswati is the only river who has been given the position of a goddess. And Sindhu is a generic name for river, and river as the life breath of religion, and is being portrayed here through Nadi Saraswati. All the human beings, other living beings, take solace in the bank of the river. This is the story of our Saraswati, Antarvahini Saraswati, who carries us with a flow through the illusion of life and leads us to the reality beautifully and gracefully. Though she is invisible, as I mentioned, Antarvahini, the one who is not visible but she flows under the earth. She is replete with creativity, imagination, knowledge, and beauty. Here we present Antarvahini Saraswati, a dance feature which shows the journey of a river becoming a goddess.
भारतं महाभारतं गङ्गानर्मदपुण्यतीर्थं सिन्धुसरस्वती कावेरी जीवनकारणमूलतत्त्वं नदीराष्ट्रस्य महाअमृतम् भारतम्
flowers that are luminous as the white lily. I am the brilliant moon and the white snow. I am the one who is clothed in garments that are pure white in color. I am the one and only goddess of all the rivers flowing in India. I am the one who is seated on the white lotus. I am the river Saraswati. My birth took place in the ranges of Shivaliks, flowing from Adipatri and descending towards the run of Kutch. Many civilizations grew up on my banks. I came to be associated with knowledge, arts, literature, music, and I became a symbolism of knowledge, creativity, intelligence, and education. Compassionate as a mother and as restrained as the wise, I am verily the stream of life that carries people forward in their mundane activities. The trade of commercial, the fertility of the land, the forests with their flora and fauna, and also the rishis and the seers who are there in the forest. I am graceful in my flow and journey, and sometimes the powerful catalyst of civilization. Behold, my childhood, which was filled with fun and frolic.
तकधीं तधीं नादृतीं ततों कृतीं धीरनादनधीरना तकधीं तधीं नादृतीं ततों कृतीं धीरनादनधीरना तकधीं तधीं नादृतीं ततों कृतीं धीरनादनधीरना तकधीं तधीं नादृतीं ततों कृतीं नादृतानि तों कृति नादृतानि तों कृतिं तरिगिडधीं 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 तनकधीं धीरना धीरना नादृतानि तों धृतीं तरिगिडधीं 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 तनकधीं धीरना धीरना ताकिडदत्तीं ततक तणं तजं तकधीं तळाङ्कुतगधीं तळाङ्कुतगधीं तळाङ्कु ताकिडदत्तीं ततक तणं तजं तगधीं तळाङ्कुतगधीं 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 तधीं नादृतीं ततों कृतीं धिरनादन धिरनादगतीं तदीं नादतीं तदो कृती
Don't you all wonder what could have possibly made me disappear? Was it the earthquake? Or was it any natural calamity? Or was it the negligence of my people? I know people are disheartened by my absence. And I am too. They all have migrated to greener patches with their cattle. Now, they have taken refuge in the plains of Ganga that hosted Lord Rama and Sita.
Mama riza riza zani riza da pada bama bama gama bama ri sari za za gama gama pasani pada bama bama gama pani sa mama riza riza zani riza da pada bama bama gama bama ri sari za za gama gama pasani pada bama bama gama pani sa mama riza riza zani riza da pada bama bama gama bama ri sari za za gama gama pasani pada bama bama gama pani sa mama riza riza zani riza da pada bama bama gama bama ri sari za za gama gama pasani pada bama bama gama pani sa mama riza riza zani riza da pada bama bama gama bama ri gama pada gama pani ni sa mama riza riza zani riza ri riza ri ri ga gama ga ri zani zari sani sani sa da pa ma gama pa ma pani ni sani प्रकम्पनिष्ठ भूतावली प्रकम्पनिष्ठ भूतावली
तत्तुम तकतुम तगिटतुम तदिगिटतु तदिगिटतु तदिगिटतु
प्रकम्पनिष्ठ भूतावली
तत्तित्तकदिनतां तित्तकदिनतां तकदिनतां दिनतां
प्रकम्पनिष्ठ भूतावली
तदिंग तदिंग तकदिक तदिंगिटतु तदिंगिटतु तदिंगिटतु
प्रकम्पनिष्ठ भूतावली
तदिं 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 तदिगिटतु तगदिगिटतु गिटदिगिटतु
प्रकम्पनिष्ठ भूतावली छण्डावृत शोभित विशेष चित्रवारिगात्र शुम्भित प्रचोदित प्रकम्पनिष्ठ भूतावली छण्डावृत शोभित विशेष चित्रवारिगात्र शुम्भित प्रचोदित प्रकम्पनिष्ठ भूतावली छण्डावृत शोभित विशेष चित्रवारिगात्र शुम्भित प्रचोदित चलत् चलत् विलोलिता तु अन्तरङ्गवाहिनी 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 चलत् चलत् विलोलिता तु अन्तरङ्गवाहिनी
सिन्धो शिशुमिन्न मातरो भाषा अर्षन्ति पयासे वधेन वा राजे भयुद्ध्वा आनयसि त्वमेत्सि चौर्यदा सामग्रं प्रवतामि नक्षसि इमं मे गङ्गे यमुने सरस्वतिषु तुद्रिस्तोमं सचता परुष्ण्या सिज्ञामारुद्वृधे वितस्तयार्जीकीये शृणुह्यासु सोमाया
श्वेताब्जपूर्ण विमलासन संस्थितेः श्वेताम्बरावृत मनोहर मंजुगात्रे उद्यल्मनोज्ञ सितपङ्कज मंजुलास्ये विद्याप्रदायिनी सरस्वती नौमि नित्यं विद्याप्रदायिनी सरस्वती नौमि नित्यम्।